Morning, Steve Fried in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, beans are up 18 cents, corn's up 7, and Chicago wheat's down a penny. Stock market's a little lower because of all the news out of China, while the dollar's a little bit higher and crude's a little bit higher. Behind me is a corn crop that I've been watching near our house in northern Illinois. And you can see the corn is lush, it's pollinating, it's tall, and the ears on it are big. And so a lot of talk about a record Illinois corn yield this year. Still, USDA dropped corn ratings 1 percentage point to 64% good to excellent. Last year was 72. Most of the decline was in Iowa, Minnesota, Nebraska, North Dakota, and South Dakota. In the beans out here also look really good, but they could use a rain. Again, USDA dropped bean ratings 58% good to excellent versus 72 last year. Declines, small declines in Indiana, Iowa was down, Kentucky was down, Louisiana was down, Minnesota was down 7 to 36% good to excellent, North Dakota down 3 to 17% good to excellent, South Dakota down 3 to 26, and 23% of the U.S. soybean acres are in those three states: Minnesota, North Dakota, and South Dakota. Spring wheat was dropped 2 percentage points to only 9% good to excellent versus 70 last year. We did note that one crop scout is calling for U.S. corn year 175.5, range of 170 to 180. That's a 14.8 billion bushel crop. The bean number is 50 bushels per acre, 4.3 billion bushel crop, range of 46 to 51. They also estimated Brazil and soybean and Argentina crop numbered 179 million tons versus USDA's 185 and last year's 177. The Brazil-Argentina corn number is 134 million tons versus USDA's 141 and 153 last year. So again, I think it's all about weather. It looks like we'll have 5 days of dry weather across much of the Midwest with warmer temps. Next week is going to be a critical week, with the 8-14-day map came out and showed some showers in the north, favoring the east of the Mississippi, and normal rains across the Delta and Southeast. So we'll see how all that impacts the final yield and how much actually the funds want to come in and buy, especially corn, before the upcoming corn harvest. Outside markets, the stock market's lower, still some more China news that's softening that market. Dollar's a little bit higher, crude's a little bit higher, and we'll be watching to see what the Fed comments are this week about the U.S. economy and what they're going to do with interest rates and what they're going to do as far as stimulating an economy that some people feel has peaked. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day. And remember, always treat people like you yourself would like to be treated.